paper.
Hey, one of the Huns came out of the cave.
Yeah, you making some whiskey up here. Well, buy some from me. We could use it, couldn't we?
Boy, you know what the hell you're talking about?
Oh, we don't know what you're talking about.
No,
honestly,
no.
we
You
don't.
said something about making whiskey, right? Ain't that what you said?
All I no.
We don't know what you're doing, and we don't care. That's none of our business.
That's right. It's none of your goddamn business. Right.
We've got quite a long journey ahead of us, gentlemen. Well,
just hold it. You ain't going no damn hurry.
This is ridiculous. Excuse me.
Howard, I blow your guts out all over these woods.